The Leonardo AI, as you can see right now, is an amazing AI tool. And with this AI tool, you can go on to generating cool and amazing images right here. With the platform right now, all you need to do is to convert your text into actually cool and amazing images in a matter of some seconds right now. And the cool thing about this is that this platform is 100% free platform. You can grab hold of the platform right now. Either click on launch app or create an account to go on to creating videos or an account with this platform. And if you do create an account, guys, you should be brought to a page that looks similar to this. Now take a look at all these images right now on the screen. Each and every one of them were created by people that utilize this AI tool, and each of these AI or each of these images were generated with the help of the AI tool. You can select one of the image right now, and you can actually see the description that was utilized to generate this image, and you can see right here the description is being highlighted. You can keep on scrolling through and check out some other cool images right now. All these images were generated with the help of this AI tool. You can see right here it has the prompt details, which was the description that was utilized, and the negative prompt is actually a description also, but this is actually what you don't want to see in the image right now. And you can see how cool the image was generated right there. You could just simply go on to downloading the image via this download icon and just simply utilize that also. But if you want to create an image yourself right there, just simply come onto the image generation section right now. And if you do click on that right now, you can actually see right here that this is a description of the image I generated previously, which is this description right now, this image right here. As you can see right now, if I keep on scrolling through, all these images were generated by me right here on this particular platform. So you can see right now I'm generating 2 images per description, and you can also take note that you do get about 150 tokens to use each and every single day. And you can see the amount of tokens that is being utilized to generate 2 images for me for each prompt right now. Also take note that you could go into editing the image details right now on dimensions via this section. So once you have done with that, you could go into selecting the fine-tune model, and here are actually some cool and amazing fine-tune models you could actually utilize right now. So you can actually go into selecting a random, maybe I want to utilize a random prompt. You can select that right now, and in a matter of seconds a prompt will actually be given to you right now, of which you can actually go on to utilizing right there. So take a look at this prompt right now. So you could just simply click on generate right now, or you could actually insert your prompt yourself and actually go into generating cool and amazing content. Now if you do look at this right here, as you can see, the image is actually being generated just in a matter of some seconds right now. And I can actually just simply scroll through. Maybe I want to just simply utilize one of this image. I can download the image by clicking on the download icon, and the image will be downloaded on my device. Now you may be wondering, how do you use this platform to make money? You can actually go into doing the print on demand business model with such kind of platform like Leonardo AI. As you can see, if you don't know about the print on demand business model, there's a business model where products such as apparels, accessories, or home decorations are actually produced only when an order is received, and this helps to eliminate the need for inventory and management, and also the upfront cost right now. And this is a cool business model that you just simply need to create cool designs right there and get paid. So in order for you to get paid, you can actually create cool designs on stuff like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone covers, and a lot more cool stuff right there. And once customers see such kind of designs and they actually purchase that product, the print on demand platform which you're utilizing is going to bring that design to life and ship that to your customers, and both you and the print on demand platform go on to sharing the profit. So if you do take a look at this is a cycle of how the print on demand works. After seeing your design, the customer places an order on your store sends the order to the print on demand platform, which they then print that particular item, package that, and ship to your customers. And with these guys, like I said, you don't need any capital. There are a lot of print on demand platforms you could utilize, such as Printify, Printful, Redbubble, and a lot more other cool ones out there. You could also take advantage of this platform right now called Zazzle. But you can actually take note that on the Printify, this is how the print on demand actually works. Just simply get a cool design, insert that on a shirt, as you can see right now, and you can go to selling that t-shirt right there on such platforms. As you can see, with a platform called Printify, you could actually create and sell custom products. You could get 100% free to use products. You can also see right here that you could get up to 900 plus high quality products, and this is actually the largest global print network. Scroll through and you can see more details about the platform, that you could just simply insert some cool designs on stuff like t-shirts, hoodies, stock socks, phone cases, mugs, caps, and a lot more cool stuff right there. And just simply check out that you can also go on to connect into a lot of cool online stores right there, like Shopify and also Etsy. So if you're using platforms such as these, maybe you want to utilize platform like Zazzle, you could just simply come right here, click on create. After clicking on create, you can actually go into selecting the exact product you want to just simply go into editing. Maybe I want to edit this product right here, or this particular one. I'm just going to select that right now. If I just select that, all that remains for me is just simply to click on customize the design and actually go on to editing the design to my preference. Now I can actually go on to uploading the design of my own. Maybe if I do click on upload from images, I can upload from there. I can upload from my phone right now or my device, and I could just simply insert an image. Now once the image has actually been inserted, maybe I just want to stretch the image right now to actually fit into the entirety of this particular section. I'm just going to stretch that in right here. As you can see right now, if I do stretch this is how it's going to look like, and you can actually go on to seeing how the image is also going to look like right there on the preview section. So take a look at this right here. This is actually done right now. Once this is done, you can actually do click on done right here, and you can see that this is how it's going to look right here. Check out this design also in this particular section, and you can see how cool the design actually looks. Then you could just simply list that on your online store, and once people actually do go on to saying that, you can go on to earning some cool cash right there. I have a lot of videos on my channel that teaches you how to do the print on demand business strategy right now. You could just need to head onto my channel, click on this search icon, and just simply type on print on demand, and you can actually do see some cool videos for you right there. This is actually a cool video that shows you how to make money right now with Printify and Etsy. Check that video out right there, and that will help you a lot. You can also see right there I have other videos on my channel that shows you how to make money online. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel, there are a lot of videos. You could also make sure you subscribe to my channel, and your notification bell is always turned on all, so that you always get alerted whenever I do release some videos to help boost your income online. So basically guys, don't forget to try out this strategy. Like I said, this could actually help you in going on to earning a lot of money right now. So make sure you go on to creating a lot of cool content. Leave that on your shop right there. Create a lot of cool designs for some cool stuff right there, and leave that on your shop. Maybe you can actually create that as a brand and then go on to selling some cool stuff and make money online. Now if the video did help you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.